From the video details view for a particular video that you want to run an end screen for, find under the preview here on the right side, this button that says end screen. And if you don't see it, you might have to scroll down, click on end screen. And you can see here on the bottom, you have your layer. This is your video layer. On the top, you have the timeline. So where in the video you're looking at. So I'm seeing from 25 seconds to the very end of this video at 44 seconds. And then these three layers, there's a playlist layer, video layer, subscribe layer. Those are my end screens. And you can add them with this button right here that says add element. And then you can choose to add a video, a playlist, a subscribe button, which is grayed out because I've already added one, a channel link, or a link to an external third-party site. This could be your website, your course, whatever it might be. And so if you select one of these layers, so I select this playlist layer, then I can only add a link to another playlist. So with it selected, here on the left side of my video, I can click on this pencil and I can choose any of my existing playlists, and that is what will be linked. So right now I have this one that's getting started with CapCut, but I could pick a different one if I wanted to direct viewers there. And then with the video one, if I select that, I can choose most recent upload, which will automatically be the most recently uploaded video that I've added to my channel. I could do best for viewer, which would allow YouTube's algorithm to choose something relevant to the viewer currently watching the video. Or on the bottom one, I can pick the video. So I click on this pencil and I can choose from anywhere in my library or even another channel. So I can click anywhere on YouTube and refer to anyone else's public video. But the best practice is to pick one of your own. That way you keep them on your channel. And so you can search through it with the search bar at the top, and then you find a relevant video and you click on it to apply it. And then you can change when these end screens appear in your video by putting your mouse on the end of the layer and clicking it and dragging it. And you can extend them up to, I believe it's 20 seconds. So they can start playing 20 seconds from the end of your video. Personally, I have a canned end screen that I always use. And so I time these so that the end screen starts as soon as the ending music and ending credits kick in. But whatever works for your channel and your style, you can adjust these to fit. And then once you make a change, once you add something or change something, then just be sure to save this before you finalize it. Or if you want to discard it, then you can click that and start over. But I'm gonna go ahead and save this. And now that end screen will play when any viewers watch this video.